The Unbreakable Will. Rahul was a young stonecutter who spent his days chiseling rocks under the scorching sun. His hands were rough, his back atched, and his clothes were always covered in dust. One afternoon, as he paused to catch his breath, he saw the king's grand procession passing through the village. The monarch wore robes of silk, his crown glittering in the light, while servants shielded him from the heat with a velvet canopy. "If only I were king," Rahul muttered. "Then I'd never suffer again." A wandering sage overheard him and smiled. "Destiny grants wishes, but wisdom must guide them," he warned. The next morning, Rahul awoke in a palace, his fingers adorned with rings. But his joy faded when the sun's glare made his skin prickle during an open-air ceremony. "The sun rules even a king," he grumbled. "I wish to be the sun itself." In a flash, he became the blazing sun, beaming down on the world. But soon, a thick cloud drifted by, blocking his rays. "That cloud overpowers me," he raged. "I must become the cloud." As a storm cloud, he unleashed torrents of rain, until a howling wind scattered him across the sky. "The wind is stronger," he cried, and in an instant, he became the wind itself. 4 days, he roared across deserts and oceans, uprooting trees, until he collided with a towering stone mountain, unmoved by his fury. "How can this be?" Rahul gasped. "What force defies the wind?" The sage's voice returned, gentle but firm. "Look closer. That mountain was carved by hands like yours." A stonecutter's patience outlasts all. Suddenly, Rahul stood once more in the quarry, his hammer in hand. But now, his heart swelled with purpose. He realized, true strength isn't in dominating others, it's in mastering yourself. From that day forward, he swung his tool with pride, knowing no king, storm, or gale could match the power of an unbreakable will. The end.